Good afternoon. I'm CBS 4 meteorologist John Gerard here in Weather Control. It's a beautiful Tuesday afternoon, and it will continue to be nice and breezy out there this afternoon as well. We'll see balmy breezes, very warm temperatures around 2 o'clock and 82. By 4 p.m., temperature still right around 80 or so. It'll be breezy and warm, mostly sunny skies as we head towards 6 p.m. Still very mild, 78 degrees, a really nice early evening out there on the breezy and warm side. High pressure has established itself over the Sunshine State today. And even though we're in an El Nino weather pattern, it's keeping all the storms away. We typically look to the Gulf of Mexico in an El Nino weather pattern. That's where the storms usually come from as they follow the southern branch of the jet stream. But if you look out across the Gulf of Mexico, it is about as clear as it can be, just a few scattered clouds. And that really bodes well for the next several days here in South Florida. Nothing heading in our direction from the western Gulf of Mexico. That's good news in this pattern that we've been in lately. So we get a bit of a break from the El Nino weather pattern for the next several days. The water vapor loop indicating that we have a lot of drier air in the upper and mid levels of the atmosphere. A little bit of an increase in moisture to our south and also well to our north, but that's only going to be adding some extra humidity in here the next few days. Not enough moisture to get us any rain. So we'll continue with the mostly sunny skies for the balance of this afternoon. Balmy breezes out there. Temperatures up near 82, a little bit cooler down by the beach. Southeast winds 15 to 20, so be careful if you're going to be at the beach. There may be some rip currents. For the boaters, kind of bumpy out there, 2 to 4 foot seas. Bay water is a moderate chop. The winds 15 to 20 knots out of the east-southeast. The surf temperature at 76. Here's your outlook for the rest of the day and the rest of the week into the weekend. Look at the 82 this afternoon, 83 tomorrow, 84 on Thursday. It'll be warm and breezy for the rest of this afternoon. Warm and a bit on the humid side Wednesday, Thursday. Then we're going to be watching a weak little cold front that's going to try to move through later Friday. Some of the computer models say it won't go all the way through, so we're not quite sure what to do with this just yet. But we'll call for some showers around on Friday. If the front does go through, we'll see some drier air on Saturday, and then maybe the front coming back again on Sunday. Again, a big question mark as we head toward the upcoming weekend. But one thing's for sure, the next 2 or 3 days, it'll feel more like early summer on this Groundhog Day. And by the way, the groundhog did not see his shadow today, which means it's supposed to be an early spring, no more winter. Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer has your next look at the weather forecast coming up on CBS 4 News beginning at 5 o'clock. Have a great afternoon. We'll see you then.